Okay, so we're going to cover the lesson for number 9 on the checklist, which is called increasing, decreasing, or constant functions. Okay, so what do we mean by an increasing function? All right, or more specifically, the graph of an increasing function. So increasing, as you know, means up, all right? And it's just something that's going to go like that, all right? Decreasing, of course, means going down, and it's going to go something like that. Constant, what does constant mean? That means staying the same. Oops, okay. And we're just going to look for something flat. Well, sort of flat, like that. Okay. So this is going to be quick, all right? So if you look at example 1, it says use the graph to determine the behavior of the function between the indicated points, all right? So we've got these 5 endpoints on the graph, AB, BC, CD, and DE, which this is just a graph composed of 4 different line segments, all right? So our job is to figure out what's happening at each line segment, all right? So if we look at line segment AB, or points A and B, what's happening at AB? Well, clearly the graph is moving upward, so it's increasing, okay? Next one, B and C. So B and C is over here. What's going on over here? Well, it's not moving at all, it's flat. So your answer for B and C is that it's constant. Okay. Next one, C and D. Between C and D, what's happening? It's moving downward, so it's decreasing. Okay. And last one, D and E. What's going on between these 2 points? Well, clearly it's moving up, so it's increasing. All right. So that's it. That's really all this topic requires. I think you'll complete this assignment really fast. Okay. Next one, same thing. All right, again, we've got a graph made up of 4 different line segments. Our task is to determine what's happening at each of these segments, okay? So between A and B, what's happening to the graph? Well, it's going down, so it's going to be decreasing there, okay? B and C, what's happening? Well, to get from B to C, I have to move my pen in an upward direction, okay? So that's going to be increasing. Between C and D, how am I moving my pen? Well, not moving it at all. Moving it horizontally, but not up or down. So that's going to be constant. All right. Last one, D and E. Between D and E, to move from D to E, I have to move my pen up. So that's going to be increasing. Okay. I'm going to have you pause the video for a minute and go do example 3. Okay, so for example 3, AB, over here, we are constant. B and C, between B and C, we are decreasing. Okay, C and D, we are increasing. And DE, we have a flat line, so that's going to be constant. Okay, and believe it or not, that's it for this lesson.